Every day, we make choices in our lives that affect the environment, the climate, and other species. From what we eat and the household product we use, to our impact on the environment directly or indirectly. There is a lot we can do to choose wide and reduce our environmental footprint to leave more rooms for wild animals and plants. And in return, we live a healthier life and a more fulfilled life. Our individual actions matter, but we can't do it alone. The planet is an entity of every individual. So you have to do your own part. The other person has to do his or her own part. Everybody have to do their own part. So I challenge you now to share this video to educate someone and to inspire someone. Someone is out there destroying the planet, destroying the environment, and they don't know they are destroying it. So keep sharing this video now. Make sure to get to someone so that we know what to do in our environment, in our planet, to live a better, a healthier life and a more fulfilled life. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we are all about living sustainably and making choices that are good for the planet and our well-being. Today, we are diving into some easy and practical tips that you can incorporate in your daily life to live more sustainably. It's about sustainability. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey towards a healthier and a greener future. The first tip in living a more sustainable life for the betterment of yourself and the planet is to choose organic and local food. Let's talk about why choosing organic and local food is so important. Organic foods are grown without harmful pesticides and chemicals, which means they are better for you and the planet. Plus, buying local food help reduce your carbon footprint and support your local farmers. It's a win-win. Now, I know you might be thinking, how can I make this choice practical and sustainable? Well, let me share some tips with you under this. One of the best way to find local and organic food is to shop at your local farmers market. Here you can connect directly with your farmers and producers. Ask questions about their practices and often find a wide variety of fresh, seasonal produces that have been grown without harmful pesticides. And the other way to choose organic and local food, if you have the space and resources, consider starting a small garden at home. Growing your own fruits and vegetables allows you to control exactly what goes into your food, and you can even experiment with different and unique variety that might not be available at your local store. And finally, be mindful of food waste. Buy only what you need. Store your food properly to extend its shelf life, and get creative with leftovers. Composting food scraps is another great way to reduce waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. The next practical tip is the classic 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing your consumption, reusing items, and recycling waste can significantly reduce your impact on the environment. It also helps conserve natural resources, reduce pollution, and save energy. The 3 R's are the cornerstones of a sustainable lifestyle. Let's delve deeper into each of these concepts and look at some practical examples of how you can implement them in your everyday life. Reducing your consumption is all about being more mindful of what you buy and use. It's about making choices that minimize waste and environmental impact. Let's say you buy bottled water every day. By investing in a reusable water bottle and water filter, you can reduce your plastic waste and save money in the long run. That is all, as simple as that. Reusing items means finding new ways to use things that might otherwise be thrown away. It's about being creative and resourceful. Instead of buying new containers for storage, you can reuse glass jars. They make excellent containers for storing leftovers, bulk goods, or even homemade jams. Recycling involves processing materials into new products, preventing the waste of potentially useful materials, reducing the consumption of fresh raw materials, and lowering energy usage and pollution. If you have a stock of old magazines, instead of tossing them in the trash, you can recycle them. Many recycling centers accept magazines which can be processed and turned into new paper products. Another great way to live sustainably is to use eco-friendly products. From cleaning supplies to personal care items, there are tons of eco-friendly options out there that are better for your health and the planet. Look for products that are biodegradable, cruelty-free, and made from natural ingredients. Using eco-friendly products is a crucial step in adopting a sustainable lifestyle. It's all about making conscious choices that are kinder to the environment and your health. A good example could be personal care items like shampoo and body wash. Many conventional personal care products come in single-use plastic bottles and contain synthetic chemicals that can harm the environment and your health. A sustainable alternative could be to switch to solid shampoo and body wash bars. These are usually made from natural ingredients, are cruelty-free, and come in minimal or zero waste packaging. The next practical step on living a sustainable lifestyle for the betterment of your health and the planet is conserving energy and water. Conserving energy and water is not only good for the environment, but it also improves your well-being. For example, turning off lights and unplugging electronics when not in use can reduce your energy consumption and lower your electricity bill. Similarly, fixing leaks and using water-saving appliances can help you conserve water and reduce your water bill. Conserving energy and water is a crucial part of living sustainably. It helps reduce your environmental impact, save money, and ensure the long-term availability of these resources. It's as simple as that. Another impactful way to live sustainably is to choose sustainable transportation options. Walking, biking, carpooling, and using public transport can significantly reduce your carbon emissions and improve air quality. Plus, they are great for your health and can help you stay active and fit. Choosing sustainable transportation option is a powerful way to reduce your carbon footprint and improve air quality. It has the added advantage of promoting a healthier, more active lifestyle. Let's say you live close to your workplace or school. Instead of driving, you could consider walking or biking. Not only does this reduce your carbon emissions, but it also provides you with a great opportunity to get some exercise and enjoy the outdoors. If walking or biking isn't an option, carpooling is another great way to reduce your carbon footprint. By sharing a ride with a colleague or friends, you can cut down on the number of cars on the road, reduce traffic congestion, and save money. Another sustainable transport option is using public transportation. Buses, trains, and subways are typically more energy efficient than individual cars, and they can help reduce the number of cars on the road, leading to lower emissions and improved air quality. If you do need to drive, consider choosing a fuel efficient or electric vehicles. If you notice in Nigeria, where I base, fuel subsidy have been reduced, of which affected a lot of people, quite a number of people. The number of individual cars on the road has reduced drastically, and no more traffic congestion. But it's a good thing because there will be low carbon emission and traffic congestion as well has reduced. So anywhere you want to go now, you can just, if you have your money, you just pick up a car before you know we are already there. But I understand that this costs us heavily as a country. People spend more on transporting to their workplace, and quite a number of people have lost their job. But this is an opportunity for the government to give us a sustainable means of transport. Trains are there, subways are there, inventing electric vehicles are there. Please, if the government are not thinking about this, we as the people, if there's any other option you have that is sustainable and that is better for the planet and our health, please, in the comment section down below, comment. They are seeing, they are watching, and they will take actions from there. And I know it's also not easy because the increment in fuel price has also increased the price of food commodities in the market. But there is always a sustainable way, a better way, because the number of cars in the roads that used to be much, traffic congestion is really not healthy for our health. But this is an opportunity as a country to invent something that is sustainable and is better for us as human and also for our environment, our planet. By making a conscious effort to choose sustainable transportation options, you can significantly reduce your environmental impact, save money, and improve your health and well-being. So consider incorporating these options into your daily routine and make a positive difference for the planet and yourself. Another simple and effective way of living a sustainable lifestyle is grow your own food. If you have the space and resources, consider growing your own food. Gardening is a great way to connect with nature, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy fresh, organic produce. Plus, it can be fun and a rewarding hobby that benefits your mental and physical health. Let's say you have a small backyard or even just a balcony. You can start by growing some herbs like basil, mint, cilantro in pots. These plants are relatively easy to care for and can be grown in small spaces. If you have a bit more space, you can try growing vegetables like tomato, lettuce, kale, and others. These vegetables are not only delicious but also incredibly rewarding to grow. You can start by planting seeds or seedling in containers, and with little care and attention, you will soon have your own fresh produce. If you don't have any outdoor space, you can still grow food indoors using hydroponic or window sill planters. I know this can cost a bit much, but it's still doable if you have the money and you have the space and the means. Many leafy greens and herbs can be grown successfully indoors and is a great way to enjoy fresh produce year round. By growing your own food, you are reducing your dependence on commercially grown produce, which often involves long transportation distance and the use of pesticides and fertilizers. Plus, there is nothing quite like the taste of freshly picked fruits and vegetables that you've grown yourself. It's amazing and tasteful. So, whether you have a large garden or just a small balcony, consider giving gardening a try. It's a fun and rewarding way to live more sustainably and connect with the natural world. And lastly, the practical tip and easy steps to live a sustainable life for the betterment of your own health and the environment is support sustainable brands. Support sustainable brands that prioritize the environment and social responsibility. Look for brands that use sustainable materials, ethical labor practices, and environmentally friendly packaging. By supporting this brand, you are voting with your wallet and encouraging positive change in the industry, in the world at large. Supporting sustainable brand is a crucial step in fostering positive change in the industry. It's about being a conscious consumer and choosing to support businesses that prioritize the environment and social responsibility. By supporting sustainable brands, you are not only making positive impact on the environment and society, but you are also encouraging other brands to adopt more sustainable practices. So make a conscious choice to support sustainable brands and vote with your wallet for a better future. And there you have it, my eco friends. Eco-friendly living, sustainable choices for a healthier planet. Simple and easy practical tips have been shared with you in this video. Remember, every small choice you make can have a big impact on your health and the environment. So let us all do our part to live sustainably and create a healthier, greener planet for the future generations. Please, if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know which tip you are more excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.